Question number 20. Can a concrete structure be completely free of expansion joints and contraction joints? Consider that the concrete structure is not subject to the problem of differential settlement. For contraction joint, it may be possible to design a concrete structure without any contraction joints. By using sufficient steel reinforcement to spread evenly the crack width over the span length of the structure, it may achieve the requirement of minimum crack width and cause no adverse impact to the aesthetic of the structure. However, it follows that the amount of reinforcement required is higher than that when with sufficient contraction joints. For expansion joints, the consequence of not providing such joints may be difficult to cater for. For example, a concrete structure has the coefficient of thermal expansion of 9 into 10 power 6 degrees centigrade and a Young modulus of 34.5 kN per millimeter square with an increase of temperature of 20 degrees centigrade, and it is restricted to free expansion, then the structure is subject to an axial stress of 6.21 megapascal. If the structure is very slender, for example concrete carriageway, buckling may occur. Therefore, the structure has to be designed to take up these thermal stresses if expansion joints are not provided. However, for water retaining structures, most of them are not affected by weather conditions because they are insulated from the water they contain internally and soil backfill that surrounded them. Therefore, it is expected that a smaller amount of thermal movement will occur when compared with normal exposed concrete structure. Consequently, expansion joint may be omitted in this case with the view that the compressive stress induced by thermal expansion toughen the structure to limit the development of tensile stress. Thanks for watching.